brain. Let's learn body parts name. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Eye, E-Y-E-I. Ear, E-A-R, ear. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Lips, L-I-P-S, lips. Mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Arm, A-R-M, arm. Leg, L-E-G, leg. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Head, ear, nose, mouth, hand. The eyes, lips, arm, leg, foot. These are our body parts name. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.